This is our we have service when we have our phones in this window.
Honey, all the footage from this date, I'm putting in a folder and it says, James, you deal with this.
This is going to be a Strand Farm, raw farm tour.
Can you hand me the Parmesan cheese in the grater now?
Hey, welcome back to Strand Farm, where we grow independent together. Look at all this rain. We're in between rainfall. The sky looks okay right now. Look at this rain. Look at this collection. Jeez. I wanted to show you guys what it's like living on our homestead. It's an adventure. It's rained all that rain the last 2 days, and our new chicken coop setup is working fantastically. The birds have stayed dry, they've stayed happy. Good girls. Even these girls are jealous because our new ones have just tons of protection from the elements. We're really excited about that project. All right, let's run through the garden. Oh, by the way, look at all those spiders. Okay, let's try that again. I ran out of battery. Look at those spiders. I'm gonna identify them and figure out if they're good for our garlic bed, but I'm guessing they're gonna eat aphids and stuff like that. Who knows? But we're gonna leave them there. Okay. So the Airstream water is low. I'm refilling the Airstream, and then since we have the generator on, we're gonna bust out our Instapot and try a new recipe tonight. Ashley's doing some sort of like beans, hamburger, Mexican dish in the Instapot. It's gonna be super. So I run the generator for, it takes like 3 hours to charge the Airstream, and we haven't been getting good light, so solar panels out the window. We're still having electric problems like all the time. And so anyway, we got our generator running. And you just got to be efficient. You know, this whole thing is about being efficient with your time, because if it's costing you to do these kinds of things extra above and beyond, then I mean, what's the point of even doing it? That's why I love these compost piles, because yeah, you have to flip them, but look how much compost you get. I mean, we paid like $400 for a truckload of compost last year, and now we're making about that much every month in compost. And these trees need to be processed. The wood stack is wet. We left it uncovered. I'm not sure why, because we're lazy. I'll go ask Ashley if she wants me to cover it back up. It's kind of one of my duties. I need to find some wood for tonight, because with all this rain we get some leaks in our trailer setup, and it really helps to have the drying outness of our wood burning stove. That's our oldest wood, so this system is awful, and that's why this system over here, when I build our woodshed with the patio on top, or the deck, all the wood is going to go in here, and we haven't quite figured out how we're going to do the rows, but it's going to be much more efficient than what we're doing right now. And then we can bring up some of the wood from some of our other compost piles. I mean, and then we can bring up some of the wood from some of our other piles and just really get it dried out, get it ready, get it seasoned for winter, and start truly stockpiling. What else can I show y'all? What do you want to see at Strand Farm? Like, we're here for you. What kind of things about homesteading that's got you tripped up or is keeping you from creating a garden or keeping you from taking that next step to growing your independence. Because I mean, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you guys figure out, be empowered, and just start truly living. Because ever since we started doing this, I can't go back. I've never felt more alive in my whole entire life. All right, let's go down. There's our chicken tractor up there. There's our run. All right, let's go down this trail. Since it's not raining, maybe I won't slip. Whee! Ashley's our trail builder. She like just knows the natural flow of our terrain. She follows like the animal tracks. She must have some sort of tracker DNA. All right, let's get down here. We're at the creek. We're at our little pond. And because of all this rain, there is a ton of flow. I'm practicing with some different techniques of water siphoning because I'm getting prepared to build a ram pump for Strand Farm, and that'll allow us to send water back up to the homestead in perpetuity. I don't know if I used that word right. Who cares? Here's more of our creek and our ponds. Man, it is just gorgeous down here. We have giant trees down here. It's just, it's mystical down here. And here's our camping site. We have a tent site over here. Let's follow the trail. This is our camping area. Okay. Oh God, the Airstream's probably overfilling with water. Oh no, I guarantee it is. Oh. You gotta stay on point. You can't get dilly-dallying, giving farm tours when you're filling your trailer with water. Oh man, I'm out of shape still. Oh, it's not overfilling. It's gotta be close. Whew. I can walk. Hammock straps. Hammock straps make great clotheslines. They have so much utility. We use them for our dogs as like a leash. All right, it's a 55-gallon tank. Oh, I'm tired today. Moose, Moosey, leave it. Oh, good girl. Oh. Ready, Moose? Wow. Ready, Moose? Get it, Moose! Yay! Hey,
hon.
Yeah.
This has inspired me. I think we should put a bird bath right here somewhere. Because having this here is cool.
A bird bath?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Does a bird bath attract mosquitoes?
Not if you keep it clean.
How do you keep it clean? If you change the water?
Yeah. So when we...
Look at Mrs. Pillow.
Boo.
It got real dirty. You need to take that pillow to the creek.
Oh no, I'm overflowing. You don't want that to happen.
Let me turn it off.
Yeah, let's switch power. Okay. So now, now we go back to the generator. Yeah. Close it off. Let's also, these are just farm chores or off-grid chores with the RV. Let's empty our septic system into our septic tank. Done. Once that's finished, I'll close it up. And then one of the benefits of having a composting toilet is that you can use your gray tank and your black tank as a dual purpose gray tank. So you combine the tanks, you pretty much get twice the volume, and you can go off grid longer, or you can backpack longer, or you can just boondock longer before having to dump your tanks.
Hey, hi.
Yeah.
Can you make sure that everything's on in the camper, little mushroom light? I gotta go turn on the Instant Pot.
Okay.
Just wanna make sure it works first.
Yeah, you got power.
Okay.
All right, power's on. We have a little mushroom lamp inside the trailer.
I wanted to bring out all of her toys. Look, she's got all her toys over here.
Moose, which toy do you want to play with? Which toy? She did this?
Yeah.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
She brought all of her elk antlers over here.
Everything.
You want to play the frisbee? You ready? You ready? Get it, Moose! Oh, come on, it's rolling down the mountain. Come on.
Moose, you gotta get it.
What do you want to do? You want to play chase? We're making tacos tonight, right? Or something Mexican?
Taco salad. If we have enough lettuce. Oh, we gotta get lettuce.
This shirt reminded my mom of me or something, but she sent it, and I love it.
It's a women's shirt. I haven't got to wear it yet. I know, but what I'm saying is I haven't got to wear it yet, hon.
Oh yeah, that's another homestead tip. Whoever you're homesteading with,
I'm gonna have to blur this out the whole time.
share clothes. Clothes last a lot longer. Yeah, more variety.
Those things I'm holding in my hand there to rubber. It's like when you do that one thing.
Oh yeah.
Can we change angles? Because I'm gonna have to blur a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
We should put something over that.
Come on, Moose.
Moose, which toy are we playing with? Get it, Moose. Come on,
Are you ready? You want to play with Hedgie?
go. You used to love Hedgie, Moose.
Get it. Aha! Good girl. Oh, good girl. Ready? Yay!
Yeah, Moose. Good job. You guys are running.
Woo. That's about a... Oh. Woo.
You love Hedgie.
We just stay on point.
We love Hedgie. We do.
We're charging the Airstream, so we need to charge.
I gotta go inside.
We gotta charge all of our other devices. Let's go.
Okay, so here's my hamburger. It's literally frozen. It just stuck to the counter. So I just put that in there. You want to do it like a coin pouch. Oh, look what I thought of. I didn't do this last time. I put this upside down.
Oh.
So let's see if that works.
Cool.
Alright, so the beans are in the bottom. We got hamburger on top. We're gonna close it.
Is there seasoning in there too?
Uh-huh.
What kind of seasoning?
All kinds of seasonings. This is gonna be like a Mexican themed meal, so a lot of paprika and cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, you know, stuff like that. So it's Mexican themed. We're gonna cook it for a long time, actually.
Really? How long do you think it's gonna take?
It's gonna take at least an hour.
Okay.
Can you wait an hour? I figured that'd be a good time.
Oh, I can wait a while. I'm not even hungry.
I mean, we don't even really have to eat all this today. I just want to go ahead and make it.
Okay. That sounds good. And just like that, it's raining again.
I'm gonna put my rain pants back on.
We got the Airstream charging. We got water in the tanks. We're using our Instapot to make our Mexican fiesta.
We got a fire.
We got our
And
fire.
our cups ready. So when that gets full, hun, you just dump it in there. Because that doesn't catch it. It needs to be cooked.
That's awesome. The canopy helps protect you from some of the rainfall. I need my charger. Need my phone charger. I gotta charge these GoPro batteries. And I gotta pick a movie from the shed to watch tonight. We have the best four-wheeler. Okay. Let's go find a movie. All right, y'all. Which one do you think Ashley's gonna want to watch? We had a tornado warning last night, so it seems appropriate. But come on, Wesley Snipes or Sylvester Stallone. Ooh!
Oh man, I tripped it.
Honey, what movie are we watching?
Help me. This just turned off.
Okay.
Let's watch Blade.
Oh!
I don't want to watch Twister. It's too soon.
All right, your Jen,
I think
it's
it
back
restarted.
on. You tried to run both those things out of that outlet?
Yes. I think I've just taken the bathroom. I have to wait. I don't think they can both run.
Why not?
What if I plug it in like over here?
Try it.
Can you help me move it?
Yeah.
It's not plugged in. Unplugged the wrong one. God. Ah.
This life on the homestead.
There we go. All right. Make sure I unplug the right one. Okay.
When you have limited electricity, you have limited accessories that you can use.
And limited space. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Hey! All right, you can use the KitchenAid and the Instapot and charge your solar
My fan's charging.
energizer. What is that stupid thing called? What is that thing called?
The charge controller? Oh, that?
Yes.
That's your solar generator.
Solar generator?
Yeah.
It's called something else.
I'm whipping some whipped cream. Look at it.
Are you making a strawberry thing?
Yeah. Woo! It's so good. And we have more muffins to eat, so I thought, why not?
Okay, I'm in.
And it's strawberry.
Moose has got it made.
Love you, Moose.
So we're making food, and then we're gonna set up our movie. We've got our TV set up right here. So we'll be watching from bed.
Thank God we finally moved into the bed. It was like months. Years almost.
I know, we had to sit out here and watch movies, but now we can lay in bed.
I want to lay in bed and watch
Upgrade! VHS upgrade! Moose is hot too.
You can run the fan while it's charging. Or this might need to be repositioned to flip it around. But you know what? I think it was getting humid in here, hon, because the Instant Pot was steaming.
Yeah. It's hot.
Remember?
It's hot in here.
What else can we put in here to make this really good?
Honey, how do you do it?
Oh, be careful with those. It doesn't stay on there well. It will also stand. You can just stand it. What was that?
It's me being frustrated.
I know, but be careful with my fan, yo. I'm gonna need that to survive the summer.
I just don't know how it works.
Here.
There's not enough space the way you have it set up. Oh, that's neat.
I'll use that right here. Let it blow on this. This? Can we blow it on you?
We don't have hot water, so when you get hot, doing a bunch of work is the best time to take a cold shower. Anytime's a good time to take a cold shower, but
No. I disagree. You wouldn't have been saying that this past winter. So you take a cold shower in the winter.
water that temperature this winter would have been toasty. It was 39 degrees in the Airstream.
No way. Definitely not.
Okay, what part is this?
I'm just making the icing, and then I'll add the strawberries last.
Mmm.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Oh, I gotta put this in. I'm just making some, I kind of wanted to make some butter noodles.
Okay.
So, just use those. We have those on hand. Those only take 10 minutes. So.
Is this from the YouTube 3 ways to cook better noodles?
Mm-hmm.
You found a way?
I didn't watch his recipes, but I read the title of the video. I had it on in the background. I'm gonna make some butter noodles.
Sometimes that's all you need for inspiration. Just look at the title. You don't have to read the full book. The answer is right there sometimes. Butter noodles. Mmm. Yeah, leave it chunky this time.
Thanks then.
Oh. Yum, yum, yum. It's not recording yet. Okay.
Look at this noodle. It's perfect. It's got the right amount of cheese, the right amount of butter for the noodle. It's al dente.
Mm. Yeah, let's add this to the recipes.
So good.
This is so easy and
It's
so
so
delicious.
easy. And you don't need anything. Like, I don't feel like I'm missing, like, oh, this could go with a piece of chicken, or...
All right,
It
ingredients.
doesn't need anything. Butter and noodles.
Isn't there salt?
Okay, I'll tell you everything, okay?
All right, yeah, come on.
There's noodles. There's butter. Salt. And a little bit of Parmesan. So good.
And the noodles are cooked al dente.
Like very al dente.
Extremely important.
Oh man, hon, you took my noodle. It's okay, there's more.
Instant Pot's still running. Here's more butter noodles.
Can you bring it to me?
Yeah. Here's our planner. This is our we have service when we have our phones in this window.
Honey, all the footage from this date, I'm putting in a folder and it says, James, you deal with this.
This is gonna be a Strand farm, raw farm tour.
Can you hand me the Parmesan cheese in the grater now? Oh my darling.
We don't have much, but you don't need much. This is fun.
Are you glad you called out?
I needed to.
This is always what we do when we call out. It's like, let's just hang out and make food and like hang out with Moose and just explore.
One of the last times we called sick out to work, we got married. You guys should watch that video. Okay, we have to...
Hurry up.
Yeah, we're taking an intermission from cooking and cleaning to run down to the creek because I can see out there that the sun is out.
I'm out of water.
Oh, honey, grab my water bottle.
Where?
It's right here. This right here. Dilute your cranberry juice. Oh my gosh, it's so good and it lasts forever. The Strand Farm raw cut tips. Come on, Moose. Yay! Come on, Scooch. Oh, there's the sun.
Oh my god, I haven't seen the sun in days, Moose. Days.
Come on, family walk. Come on, Moose.
Wonderful. Oh. Oh, that chicken was out.
Caught the cat in Ashley's garden bed today. And our cat's caught a chipmunk right up there by the Airstream, under the Airstream. So, man, if we didn't get those cats back in, yeah.
Can you get a walkthrough of my asparagus? I need it for my video.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the spiders! They're all together again. Did you ever see them like this? So crazy like this.
Look at that asparagus coming up. Spiders?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. But a lot of them are gone now.
So, did they go down and go through the leaf forest?
I think so, because I saw a couple crawling down there.
Really?
Yeah, all right, let's go. Yeah.
Chilly, huh? My gosh, did you see her go around that corner? Wow.
Oh, that water's so fresh and so cold. That is awesome. That's some crazy. Okay, hon, it's your turn.
It's very cold. It's very cold.
Come on, son. Oh, it feels so good.
Gollum.
Oh, yeah, that's so good.
Gollum loves fishes.
I definitely
That's
gotta
my
build a couple
precious.
out
My precious.
Here's one of our dogwood trees down by the pottery studio. Oh, it's got some buds. Some more brush piles and stacked wood and a giant poplar from the monster tree felling video that I will really want to do a chainsaw mill or some type of mill. Here's some of the pieces I cut stacked up. There's our Norwegian round. There's our another dogwood. And then here's some flowering trees. I don't think we've identified this one yet. Check this out.
Where you going, Moose?
Moosey, come.
Come on, we gotta go watch a movie.
Come on, Moose. We're watching Blade. Yeah. Oh, I love Vampire Ninja Wesley Snipes.
The lighting here is crazy.
That is.
Beautiful. Can you imagine just sitting on my back deck here with this light? Just looking at all this.
That's how you keep the dreams alive, by building them. This is the pottery studio. In less than a month, there's gonna be a building right here. And Ashley's gonna set up her kick wheel. This is Ashley's pottery kick wheel. We're gonna put in her pottery studio. So we'll do woodcraft down there, we'll do Strand Farm Productions down there. And but down there I mean right here. It's such a beautiful sight.
I'm glad we kept these twin trees.
Me too.
We lost this twin.
It's so tall. Like 120. Chickens agree. All right, this is the lower island. This is gonna be our major compost making area. We've got some ideas in the works, so stay tuned for that for sure. Hello, everybody. That's the chicken bus. Stay tuned for the chicken bus. What's the chicken bus? It's for transporting chickens around the property. Hey everybody. There's our original chicken tractor. Here's some more trees that need processing. We're walking on the lower island. The upper island is where the gardens are. The birds have torn down this compost pile. That's supposed to be sloped down, instead it's straight across. Maybe you can get chickens to build a foundation. And then here's these babes, all 28 of them, getting ready for compost making and egg production. So much work to do. It's not even work when it's play though. That was a fun little hike.
Yes, it was. Here's your water.
Oh, thank you.
This is a nice view.
Oh yeah, that is a wonderful view. Look at that big cloud floating over.
Really neat. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if my other watermelon's coming up. Oh, hello! Hi!
What are we doing? We're checking on a watermelon?
Yeah.
Did it just pop up or did you plant it?
I planted it, but I want to see if it's come up. I'm not seeing anything yet. I don't know if this one's gonna come up or not.
Oh, hi, Moose.
Kind of planted it mostly as far down. There's like mulch right there.
Yeah.
As far down as I could. Might have been too deep.
These are straws, right?
Yep.
They're looking healthy.
Yeah, the strawberries look good. There's some little reddish brown mushrooms coming all around.
Ooh, hello.
Quite petite.
There's so much fungus on Strand Farm. There is fungus among us. All right, guys, let's go watch a movie.
Here's our other strawberry. It's already rooted a second one.
Do they spread? Sweet. I'm still learning my plants.
They grow like kind of like ground cover, like vines almost on the ground.
Do they make a good ground cover?
You just plant that all up and down the sides of our driveway.
I'd love that. All right, y'all. I'm ready to check out this Mexican fiesta dish that Ashley's making. Turn on the dehumidifier since it's so humid. It's probably 100% humidity out here. So we're still charging the Airstream.
Honestly, I'm getting acclimated. You haven't been here for it very much as me.
Yeah, that's probably true.
I think I'm getting acclimated.
Well, I'm gonna run the dehumidifier anyway, even though Ashley's
I love
acclimated.
it when it's dry though.
And we'll get our movie going. Thanks for coming on this raw, uncut tour of Strand Farm.
Hold up, I want
Come
to see
back
the
again
meal.
and see us real soon.
Let's check out the meal.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
That's right.
We gotta release the pressure.
Okay.
Do you know how to do that?
You gotta tap it, but ours is broken. So you hit it like that.
Careful.
You gotta cover it with what? Towel.
Cover it with a towel. Take something pokey like this. You want to push down this little silver thing. Ready?
Yeah. And we thought it was humid a little bit ago.
I mean, it smells good.
It does smell it.
This can smell it. Yeah, Moose? Kind of smells like a dirty sock.
Yeah.
Or a dirty armpit.
Come on, Mumar. Moose, come. Yay!
I'm just releasing the pressure. I don't remember if I said that or not.
If it smells like a dirty armpit, that means you're on the right track.
It
That smells
really
good.
I think it smells good, actually.
Did you say that feels good?
Yeah. You thought you were humid before. Doesn't your skin feel so, like, just
It does feel good.
moistured?
Okay.
This has been cooking for 50 minutes.
Hold on.
Hold on. This has been cooking for 50 minutes.
Those
What do you
beans
think's
look-
going on?
those beans look good. What happened to the burger?
This is the hamburger meat. We should put this. We could put this in here. This was from butter noodles. Okay, you ready? Oh look, this thing stayed up.
Yeah, that worked great.
That's good. Let's look at the beans.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
I know we have like giant bags of pinto beans, but for whatever reason, I cannot find any of them. So these are kidney beans.
They look
But I
good.
think they look good. And I stuck one of them bones in there Mom gave me. That's how the bone looks. I know it did not explode. It's basically just a pressure cooker. I did put aluminum in there. I put a bone in there. It's just a pressure cooker. It's just an electric pressure cooker. Like, you don't have to sit here and manage the pressure. It does it on its own.
Those beans look ready.
Taste one. Now, I did not add any salt to this. You're not supposed to add any salt until after the beans are cooked. For whatever reason, it can make them like kind of like hard, like chewy. So you want to salt it after.
That bean tasted ready.
It didn't seem like it needed anything. I better taste it.
Well, you know me and my low salt diet. It tastes good.
Love this spoon. I can't believe I make spoons. Maybe because I haven't made one in so long. It's like, do I really actually make spoons?
You do make
I do?
spoons.
Oh, it's really hot.
You make spoons and you make wonderful spoons.
That I can actually use. Look at this handle. This handle is so comfortable.
Is this, are you giving this one away or selling this one?
I really like, I use it a lot. I don't think I could give somebody a used utensil. You know what I mean? Like, it's not an antique. I'm not a celebrity. I think people should have like a new spoon, don't you?
Some people like used spoons.
Really? I mean, I do.
Some people buy used underwear for crying out loud. Don't they taste good? What'd you add to it?
Nothing yet.
Yeah. It doesn't need anything.
I'm gonna add a little salt. This was 2 cups of dry beans, so basically like one of them small bags. Like if you go to Walmart or whatever. You know what I'm talking about? One of them small bags. And then 6 cups of water. And some stuff.
The stuff will be listed on the website.
Honestly, that's all it is. And what you can do is take some of these beans out if you want to just leave them whole. Or this is supposed to be for refried beans. Like I said, I couldn't find my kidney beans. You just take a little thing and you can mash it, you know, like with a potato masher. Or you can, if you have an immersion blender, you can blend it. Obviously take out the bone. But yeah, you can make refried beans. I gotta make that for my mom. She was saying she wanted refried beans. Remember
Let's make it.
Oh, you weren't there.
I wasn't there. Alright, I want to see this hamburger. I'm going nuts.
Are you gonna open it?
I'm opening it?
Yeah, you open
Are you
it.
holding the camera?
Sure. Cooking for 50 minutes. So now you take your...
Okay.
Should I put in the beans?
Yeah.
Just like this.
It's a beef lollipop.
Away with you. Ooh. What are you thinking about this?
It's looking great. Kind of looks like a chili.
I was thinking. But what you're supposed to be able to do is take a slotted spoon and scoop out some beans. Take this bone out right quick. And some meat and put that on like a tortilla. Oh. It's gonna fit?
No
We
spew.
have to eat this. I didn't spew. Look at that, that's pretty.
Hey Greg, no spew.
I like the chunky. That sounds gross. Need a bite.
This doesn't do it justice, but these are the Mexican. No. This video doesn't do it justice, but this is the creation from the Mexican. And there you have it. Nachos from the Mexican fiesta dish that Ashley made in the Instapot. Just in time for our movie. Let's watch Blade.
I'm gonna try yours because I didn't have any tortillas.
No, don't try mine. Okay.
Mine was chipless.
Moose is ready for the movie. Ashley, ready
Oh, look
for
at
the
that
movie?
cheese. Ooh.
Ooh. That looks great.
Yummy.
Power on. Battery
Almost full.
Let's go with chips.
Da-da-da-da.
Honestly, the kidney beans.
Good night from Strand Farm.